according to Jean Piaget's cognitive concepts, which refers to cognitive structure, for example, seeing a dog and forming an initial idea of a dog. Would this be letter A, accommodation, letter B, assimilation, letter C, schema, or letter D, equilibrium? What is our choice? Tumpak na choice po natin dito is letter C, schema. First time that nag-form ng idea kung ano yung dog, no, yung isang bata, that would be your schema. Pagka nakakita po siya ng pusa, at na-compare niya, no, nakita niya, ay, meron din po siyang buntot, aba, meron din po siyang balahibo, no, halos magkaparehas po sila ng nauna kong nakita, no, na-form kong schema ng aso. At kapag ka tinawag po ng anak natin, ng bata, yung pusa na doggy, ayan, sabi niya, doggy, doggy, no? Kahit hindi naman po siya isang aso, the child is using the same schema, SS, the same schema. So tinatawag po natin yung proseso na yan na assimilation. Until such time na nakapag-form po ng different schema ng cat, yung anak natin, no, changing the schema, okay? That will be called accommodation. Now, equilibrium naman po, this is the balance sa different processes na nangyayari